Hey, what's up, guys? Oh, oh my gosh. Hey, what's up, guys? This is VG, and so on today. Oh my god, where's my game? What the? Finally. Hey, what's up, guys? This is VG, and so on today I'm not going to. Oh my god. Okay, so leave it. Okay, so this is the part 4 of this snake game. So on this part, I am thinking that you also know that our folly this game is over make, but you can see that it's really looking so boring. So for that I'm thinking to make some more some more features like game over. The game over would be appear and it would show the score. So for that only we have to make only two variables and also one more variable. So first of all we have to make a variable, right? Score and J score. J score means join score. So now let's see what we'll be doing. So first of all, go to the coding of this snake head. Take a set score to 0, and then let's see for the snake food. When it's touching the snake head, it should change J score by no change score by 1 and change no set J score to take a join. Where is the join? Okay, this join, type here score and these two dots, and then let's take this score. I hope it would work. Let's see. Right, you can see it's looking like a more incredible score variable. Like, just right click on this variable, click on this button, large red out, and just hide these two variables and put it over there. Okay, and also um, now we can select something like a just a minute. First of all we have to duplicate this all of these blocks and remove this block and set here 0. Okay, so now we can also add a backdrop. Go to this backdrop, take a blue sky and just click on OK. Now it's looking pretty good, but now when it's touching the wall, the background, so then nothing is happening. So for that only, now we are going to make something like, just click on this paint new sprite button and let it into bitman like this. Okay, I'm first only there, then fill it with black color. Okay, it should be into the middle, and just take a text block and type something in white color like game game over. Okay, I hope it would work. Let's see. Game over. Okay, then into the starting of the game, when spacebar is clicked, then for this sprite only, means for this sprite we are making now the coding. When spacebar is clicked forever, I mean in the up of the forever block, take this x0 y0, go to x0 y0, and also it should be that time hidden, and take this set color effect, and we don't want color effect, it should be ghost effect to 100. Okay, and then forever, I mean just leave it like that only, And yeah, it should first of all show the variable j score. Just go to this head, snake head, then that time, then just take a if else block, put it over here, and then if it's touching the border, means the edge, then it should broadcast a message like broadcast a message one, and it should stop it. It should stop the script. No. Okay. And then when I go to this sprite one, it's this game over. When I receive message one, then show, then repeat, take and repeat. It should be 20 times. Change ghost effect by -5. Now I hope it would work. Let's see. Yeah, it's working. But it's not stopping anymore. So for that only, it is stopping. Everything is stopping. What is this? This green flag is still working. Oh my god. Okay, so we know that it's not stopping. So for that only, what I'm going to do is just go to the snake head, and first of all we have to make a variable for this sprite only. Just click on this small icon for this sprite only. It should be my speed and my speed variable. Okay, my speed variable. Then just hide this my speed variable. So right now when it's moving 4.5 steps. So set my speed to 4.5 steps and move my speed steps. And when touching edge, then it should set my speed to 0.001. It's really too small speed, and I hope it will work. No. Wait, something is wrong. I have written 45. Okay. 0. Okay. Now I hope it would work. Where is it? Still, what is happening? Oh. Okay, now I understand. This whole script is now stopping of this snake food, so just add one more block right here. Stop all. Now I hope it's all right. Can you see that how much I have made video? Is it 13 minutes, 6 minutes, 5 minutes? I hope it's too much. Now let's see. Everything is stopping or not? Yeah, everything stopped. Now we have to make one more variable like show score. Means it would be shown right here in the middle. Just make it read out much larger. Okay, it should be in middle. Then it should hide variable show score. Then here it should show variable show score here. Okay, and that time it should set variable show score to join, and just type your score like this, and it should set your score to, okay, I mean this here it should be score. Now let's try. Is it in middle? Okay, now all right. So now finally our game is made, and this was the last part of this game. So share, like, subscribe my channel, and yeah, I'm going to change my channel's name and my logo. But yeah, I'm also going to do some more things, like some playing and also some gamings I'm going to start. And you first only know I'm going to change the logo of this of my name. Okay, so please subscribe, please, please. I'm only having 16 subscribers. Bye.